Hey, what's happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and this is video 2 of the Endless Traffic Goldmine video series. We're actually just going to release this to the public, so if you're interested in learning about traffic generation and really all the aspects of building an internet business from traffic side to conversion side, and ultimately building an unlimited traffic machine, if you're interested in this type of stuff, make sure and smash that like button and hit subscribe. If you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, you'll be able to see the subscribe button just up there. You can just see it on the corner there. And really, let's just get into it, because what we really want to do here is really have a look at the online traffic overview and game plan, my friends. So if you can see on the screen here, really what people tend to get confused about is the difference between marketing and advertising. So what we're going to do first is get clear on these three different things, which is marketing, advertising and selling. So when I pulled this definition up in Google, it says that advertising is the means of communication with users of a product or service. Advertisements are messages paid for by those who send them and are intended to inform or influence people who receive them. Okay, so this is advertising, and it's really like spending money and putting ads out there. Okay, then we've got the definition of marketing, which is the activity, set of instructions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers. Okay, then we've got selling here, and selling is basically just a transaction where a good or service is being exchanged for money. So what our ultimate goal here is, we really want effortless selling, my friend. We don't want to be chasing people about online to buy our product, because no one really likes to be sold on things, but everybody loves to buy something. So really what we got to get clear about here is to our ability to understanding advertising, traffic and marketing conversions is our ability to engineer effortless sales. Okay, so one thing what I want to show you here is the two different types of traffic inside the Endless Traffic Goldmine. So we have our external traffic, which is cold traffic, and maybe people don't know us. This is where we're going to be advertising, okay? And this is like a red ocean where everybody's playing at. Then we ultimately want to go and spend that money and bring people to our internal traffic world. And this is where we warm our leads up and we create hot conversions, and it's kind of like our blue ocean where no one else is really playing at, and it's like we've got full control, and it's like our internal traffic source. Okay, so something that I really wanted to learn and master about was really when you master traffic, which is our external traffic here, and conversions, which is our internal traffic. When we can master these two things, we can write our own ticket in life. And what I'm going to share with you inside this Endless Traffic Goldmine is really the strategy for being able to implement around anything, like whatever your product, passion or idea is online. Okay, so basically what we understand now is like the external traffic side is really just getting your attention, getting people's attention and your ideal customers' attention. And one of the big main rules that I covered in the first video of this traffic series was the number one rule when it comes to traffic generation, and it's never waste a visitor. So what we're going to do here is we're going to spend money on our external traffic, and we're going to bring people to our landing page, and on our landing page we're going to generate leads and build a pool of retargeting. Okay, and I've covered all that in the previous video. Now, some things that don't need marketing basically is like, when you go to the shop and you're going to buy food, you don't really need to market that kind of product. When someone buys toothpaste, you don't necessarily need to market toothpaste per se. But the other things that people don't necessarily, it's not necessarily going out of their way just to buy because it's a necessity. These type of things need marketing. And if we look at like one of the biggest companies out there, like Amazon, their lifetime value for their customer is through the roof, yet their cost per acquisition, their cost to acquire a customer, is nearly nothing. And the reason why this happens is because they have a digital ecosystem, and this is what we want to build. We want to build a digital ecosystem, okay? And when we do this here, you might notice that Amazon is great at marketing. So they'll be like, when a customer bought this, they also bought this, or because you bought this, you might also like this, this, and this. Now you can see where that comes into the definition of marketing, where it's the activity set of instructions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings. Okay, so they're making you all these different offers while you're inside the Amazon ecosystem, which is their blue ocean. Okay, because no one else can go over there and advertise on their blue ocean. It's their own thing that they've built. It's their internal world. Okay, and that's what we want to build, is this here, our internal traffic, and this is our marketing and our conversions. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to build our internal world using our traffic blueprint. Okay, and then this is our traffic blueprint here. So when we look at that, we've got 3 different levels of traffic. We've got fast results traffic, which is influencer traffic, email traffic, social media traffic, display traffic, search ads traffic, and pay-per-click traffic. And this is where we can go out there and get traffic pretty much right away without having to really wait for it. Okay, then once we get really great at one of them traffic channels, we can scale our traffic using the cost per acquisition traffic, content contribution traffic. Once we're happy with them results with our strategic scale, we're going to want to go for the unlimited traffic machine, and this is where we go for complete domination. But ideally we want to plant the seeds of domination throughout our entire process. So if you're just like, oh, what was all them different traffic sources I just covered, don't worry, because I'm going to go into detail and show you the tactics on each one of these specific traffic sources and where you can go in this up and coming series. So if you're interested and you don't want to miss a video, make sure and smash that like button or the subscribe button wherever it is on this video, and you'll not miss a video that's coming up. So really here, what we want to do is build the unlimited traffic machine, and this is kind of what it is here. So you can see that when we bring our people from our external traffic to our blue ocean, and this is the start of our blue ocean, and here's where our product and sales happen. And what we really want is effortless selling. So we don't really want to be chasing people to sell this product, but we want to be building our blue ocean in a way which is kind of like Amazon. And you know, it doesn't have to be as advanced as Amazon, but we just want to model that sort of strategy because it works, my friend. It's proven to work and it's given them their results. So this is basically the game plan, okay? And this is where you're going to specialize in, is your conversion blueprint, and how you're going to be going out there and making offerings just like the way Amazon does, and recommending different products and services to create a higher lifetime value for your customer, okay? And this is what we're going to specialize in. This is the game plan. The Endless Traffic Goldmine video series that you're starting on here now, which you're on day 2, the video 2 of this series. What we're actually going to be focusing on here is all this here external stuff, okay? Which is all this external traffic, which is where we're going to be going out and getting attention of our ideal customer and then bringing them to our internal traffic. So this is what we're going to be covering, and this is the game plan, my friend. The game plan is the conversion blueprint, and this is what you want to build. You want to build your own specialized blue ocean, okay? And create offers around your product, and you just don't want to sell the product. You want to advertise and market in a way that creates effortless selling, okay, my friend? And this is what I had for you in this video. If you liked it, like I said, smash that like button. I'm going to leave my #1 resource for building this for yourself in the links below, and I'm going to leave all the resources as well if you want to download the blueprints and all that cool stuff in the links below as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you got some value, let me know in the comments below, and be on the lookout for the next video. The next one we're coming out with is the 3rd video of the Endless Traffic Goldmine video series, and it's really how you actually go out there and you track your traffic and conversions, okay? Because it's one thing going out there and just running external traffic to your conversion system, but it's another thing to be able to track everything and then hyper optimize it so that you keep improving and keep improving and keep improving till you start to see big results, my friend. So this was it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great one. Bye bye.